Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be doing something interesting. We have here solve for x in 9 to the power of x plus 15 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of x. So we have to find x in this question. So how do you do it? First of all, now I'm going to bring it down here. 9 to the power of x plus 15 to the power of x is equals to 25 to the power of x. Now I'm going to divide all through by 9. Divide all through by 9 to the power of x. 9 to the power of x. 9 to the power of x. And of course, this we cancel to give us 1 plus 15 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x. And from here we have x is the power of 15, and also x is the power of 9, so we can bring it out. To have 1 plus 15 divided by 9 to the power of x is equal to the same thing here. We'll have 25 divided by 9 to the power of x. And of course, when we simplify 15 divided by 9, we'll have 5 divided by 3 to the power of x is equals to 25 divided by 9 to the power of x. Okay, so we'll have 1 plus 5 divided by 3 to the power of x is equals to 25 divided by 9 to the power of x. Of course, 25 is the perfect square. So 25 is the perfect square, and also 9 is the perfect square. So we can have it as 5 divided by 3. This will give us square, and then we'll have our x. So I can have 1 plus 5 divided by 3. X is equals to 5 divided by 3 x all square. So I can make or let y equals to 5 divided by 3 to the power of x. Of course, 5 divided by 3 to the power of x is common on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So I can just make y equals 5 divided by 3 to the power of x, because 5 divided by 3 to the power of x is common on the right hand side and on the left hand side. So when I make it equals to y, I'm going to have 1 plus y is equals to y. We have squared here, so we have y squared. And of course, I can make this as y squared minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, using completing the square method of finding a variable of y, I'll have y minus half squared is equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 squared, which will give me y minus half squared is equals to 1 plus 1 divided by 4. So, and of course, I'll get 1 sorry, I'll get y minus half enclosed in brackets squared is equals to, when I add 1 to quarter, I'll have 5 divided by 4. And then when I square root both sides, I'll have y minus half, minus half is equals to root 5 divided by 2. And of course, bringing minus half to the other side, I'll have y is equals to half plus root 5 divided by root 2. And then when you add it, you have your y is equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by root 2. And of course, we'll have 2 roots for y, because root 5 is plus or minus root 5. So we'll have y is equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, or 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. And of course, we need to get our roots, the root of y, when ay squared plus by plus c is greater than or equals to 0. And when you look at these two roots, the only root that can satisfy this here, ay squared plus by plus c is greater than or equals to 0, is 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So we are going to be making use of this. Remember, we said let y be equals to 5 divided by 3 enclosed in brackets to the power of x. So I'm going to bring it down here. Recall that y is equals to 5 divided by 3 closed in bracket to the power of x. And then we've gotten our y as 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So I'm going to have 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 is equals to 5 divided by 3 x. So I'm going to introduce law of logarithm here, which states that we have quantity of n is equals to exponential x. Quantity of n is equals to exponential x. We can have our x as logarithm of n base e. So I'm going to apply it here. To find our x. So applying it here, I'm going to have x is equals to log, let's put this in brackets, 1 plus root 5, and of course this x, we can have our x as log n divided by log e. So I'll have this as log 1 plus root 5 divided by 3 divided by log 5 divided by 3. So this will give you the value of x. To give you the value of x, log 1 plus root 5 divided by 3 divided by log 5 divided by 3 enclosed in brackets. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, you can as well like, subscribe and share.